Hi everyone, here we've got LG K52 and let me show you how to add and then remove a Google account from this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to actually very bottom and tap on accounts. Now in order to add new Google account, just tap on add account, choose obviously Google and make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source. And from this we can either create a new Google account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and let's tap on next. Here we've got the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read them, just tap on it, and here you can receive all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got some backup and storage info, so let's tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Now in order to remove it, nothing easier, just tap on the account you'd like to remove and tap on remove account. Tap on remove. Tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter it to confirm. And as you can see, our Google account simply disappears, so it means that we successfully removed it. So actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your LG K52. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.